What if I told you that a few simple mistakes are silently killing your chances of becoming wealthy? In today's video, we're exposing 5 huge personal finance mistakes that many people, even crypto investors, are making right now. Stick around, because avoiding mistake number 1 alone could save you thousands. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you've been trading Bitcoin since before it was cool, these 5 mistakes are costing you money. Let's make sure you don't fall into any of these traps. Ready? Let's dive in. Putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification mistake. Our first mistake is betting everything on one investment. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be surprised. In the crypto boom, plenty of folks went all in on a single coin or stock, only to watch it crash. Remember when the crypto market tanked in 2022? Bitcoin dropped over 70% and anyone 100% in crypto saw their portfolio crumble. Meanwhile, those who diversified, a bit of crypto, a bit of stocks, maybe some real estate, were hurt far less and recovered faster when markets rebounded in 2023. Diversification isn't fancy, it's just not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments around, so if one asset bombs, your entire financial life isn't in shambles. Think about it, even the best investment can go south. Don't let one collapse take you down with it. Okay, on to mistake number 2, which even smart people make when excitement takes over. The second mistake: jumping into investments without solid financial foundations. It's super exciting to chase the next big crypto or that hot stock tip. But here's the truth. If you're investing money you can't afford to lose, you're playing with fire. Visual: person stressed with bills, then buying crypto on phone. In 2024, surveys showed a huge portion of people couldn't cover a $500 emergency. Don't be that person. Before you throw money into Bitcoin or any investment, build an emergency fund. Pay off those high-interest credit cards. Make sure you're not skipping rent to buy Dogecoin. Seriously, crypto isn't a substitute for an emergency fund or insurance. I get it. Watching your coins double in a month feels amazing. But what if your car breaks down tomorrow, or you lose your job? You'll be forced to sell investments at the worst time. So, handle the basics first: cash cushion, no toxic debt, then invest. This way, when you do invest in that awesome crypto project or stock, you can actually stay in for the long haul. Alright, so you've got a balanced portfolio and a safety net. Great. But that won't help if you fall for our next mistake, which has exploded in the crypto era: falling for hype and scams. Mistake number 3: believing everything and everyone in the market. In the age of Reddit and TikTok hype, it's too easy to get duped. Maybe you heard about that new coin that's guaranteed to 100x, or some influencer promising a secret trading bot that never loses. Spoiler alert, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. We've seen this play out. From the Squid Game token rug pull to countless ICO scams, people are losing money to hype. Even legit assets get overhyped. Think meme stocks or NFTs at their peak. If you bought at the top because of FOMO, you got burned. So how to avoid this? Do your own research. Seriously. Check multiple sources. If a friend or YouTuber says, "Buy this now," ask why. Is there real utility or just hype? Also, beware of scams. Phishing links, fake crypto exchanges, Ponzi schemes. They're everywhere. Use reputable platforms and never invest because of pure hype or pressure. Bottom line, trust facts, not FOMO. The only person who truly cares about your money is you. Now, moving on, even if you avoid scams and have great investments, mistake number 4 can still ruin your success. Panic and short-term thinking. The fourth mistake is letting emotions drive your decisions, especially fear. Picture this. The market plunges overnight. Crypto, stocks, everything red. You freak out and sell everything. Feels safe at first, until the market bounces back and you've locked in losses. This happens all the time. People panic sold in March 2020 during the pandemic crash, then missed one of the fastest stock rebounds in history. In crypto, so many sold at the bottom in 2022, only to see Bitcoin and Ethereum roar back in 2023. If you had held on, you'd have recovered, maybe even profited, but panic made you cash out at the worst possible time. Wealth building is a long game. If you're investing in something with solid fundamentals, be it an index fund or a top cryptocurrency, think long term. Don't check prices 10 times a day. Don't let sensationalist news titles, "Crypto is dead," force you into rash moves. A good strategy: set it and forget it, or at least have a plan. If Bitcoin is part of your 5-year plan, don't let a bad week shake you out. Zoom out on the chart. The trajectory over years is what matters, not daily wiggles. As the saying goes, time in the market beats timing the market. So keep your cool. Now, for our final mistake, and this one's a bit meta, because if you're watching this video, you're already avoiding it. Stopping your financial education. Last but definitely not least, not continuously learning. The world of money is always evolving. New tools, new trends, new traps. The biggest mistake is thinking, "I know enough," and tuning out. If you had ignored new developments, you might have missed how cryptocurrency emerged as a legitimate asset class in the last decade, or how commission-free trading became a thing, or new ways to earn passive income. Staking, anyone? On the flip side, if you didn't keep learning, you might fall for old myths, like credit card is always bad. That could hold you back. By watching this video, you're already investing in your knowledge. Keep that up. Read books, follow credible blogs, watch channels like this that cover both personal finance fundamentals and the latest in crypto. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. It's that simple. Also, don't just learn, adapt. 2024 and 2025 have shown us that the financial landscape can shift quickly. Interest rates, regulations, tech breakthroughs. Hello, CBDCs and DeFi 2.0. Staying informed means you won't be caught off guard. Remember, the best investors are lifelong students of the game. Congratulations! Now you know the 5 deadly mistakes to avoid on your journey to financial freedom. Quick recap. Diversify your investments, cover your basics, ignore the hype, think long-term, and never stop learning. Avoid these and you'll already be way ahead of the pack in 2025 and beyond. Did any of these surprises you? Let me know in the comments which mistake you're guilty of. I've been there too, no shame. And if you found this video helpful, do smash that like button and subscribe to Wealth Circuit for more weekly tips on mastering your money in crypto. We've got a ton of exciting topics coming up, from crypto investing strategies to simple budgeting hacks. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay savvy.